What's up, everybody? It is your one and only favorite, not favorite FPV pilot, Kwadfather Fpv, aka Toothless. Did I say that right? Kwadfather Fpv, yeah. Anyway, found a cool little spot at HANES Brands. I don't know if you're familiar with HANES and you're a part of the area. I don't know if you're in where... God, that was stupid, Brian. But anyway, I don't care. I'm at this little... and I think this is going to be fun. That's going to be fun. I really don't want to go get my quad in the water. But if it drops, I'm dropping trowel and getting in. There, GoPro, it's worth it. Even though my GoPro's cracked. And guys, I just want to say it's been a minute since I've had a video out, and that's because, you know, life goes on. I have a lot of shit going on. I got kids and a wife, and I do this as often as I can for therapy. Talking to the camera probably is my journal talking. I have a lot of footage I never post, but people should really try that. That's it's very therapeutic in a weird way, but so is acid. Anyway, not that I'm on acid. Jeez, people, come on.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and God, I know I'm one.